hello to all of our IDS magazine viewers. I'm Jillian, and I'm excited to take you around the ISC West show here in fabulous Las Vegas. Let's go check it out.
This episode is sponsored by Aira, a leading provider of AI facial recognition and environment-specific solutions.
Hello to all of our IDS magazine viewers. Thanks for joining us. We're at the network's Optix booth, and we're lucky enough to have two staff members that are going to show us around a little bit today. We have Andrew and Bradley that are going to be showing us around.
This is Network Optix, right? So we have an enterprise level video operating system. It's fully scalable. It can work on any platform, Windows, Linux, Mac, any smartphone device. We're completely hardware agnostic, right? So we're open to working with cameras and manufacturers of servers and other softwares. If you'd like to see a little bit more about it, I'd like to take you around the corner here and let Bradley show you some software.
Awesome, let's do it.
Awesome, come this way.
So one of the exciting things that we're showing with our new enterprise version is our AI manager. With the AI manager, you can actually teach a language model that we have created, and then we use Teachable Machine. We trained it this morning. This is how you would be able to utilize the cameras that you have, train something, and then with that, bring it into the AI manager, in which you'd be able to load a custom model and actually get the most out of your cameras, whatever setup it might look like. Over here, we have a description of a full ship in, because the ship has arrived with those crates. Over here, we have a description of all good, but we've trained it to detect any illegal fishing. So when it comes down, there's illegal fishing. We've created a rule in which an alarm would sound once that is detected. So with that, it's an example of how you can take any cameras, be able to bring in any AI models that you might be able to train, and get the most out of your video operating system. Another awesome feature in our Gen 6 Enterprise is our NX Maps. This is an interactive map that is within the system in which you'd be able to plot cameras in exactly where they are. I can see I've got my cameras at our office in Walnut Creek, and then you can see that bookmarks might come up, and I can see this might be the parking lot entrance. Somebody was calling. If I wanted to at that time, I can just click on that camera, and here would come the stream live of that fisheye at the time. I can move this around. I can go to different locations such as our Burbank office and see those cameras. But with that, directly out of the NX Maps, I can build a layout based off of the exact events that might be going on that I see from a map level. You know, some of the really cool features about this is that if you have cameras that are on the move, whether it's in a car, and you can have NX embedded at the camera level and actually be able to see and follow it on a map. This is an example Network Optix being used in mobility. Right here you can see the actual geospatial coordinates of each of those vehicles. This way we can calculate the speeds. We can also see the types of cars and really be able to accumulate that data and empower decision making at a transportation level. This is rich with information, and with that you can create bookmarks on events that might happen if there's near misses or if there's accidents, and then be able to review that and make those decisions as they go along. Over here on these top panels, we're using the camera as an actual sensor on an intersection in Georgia. That is allowing us to be able to gain insights into traffic flow and also be able to have the cameras work with, the lights and the crosswalks. So you're able to really take this to the fullest extent and get what you need out of the cameras that are already there at the intersections, wherever it may be.
So as you can see, Network Optix has a lot to offer. We work with almost any camera, almost any operating system out there. We have a lot of value to add to existing hardware systems. We have all sorts of software platforms that we'd like to help you with. Thanks.
Thank you so much for having us here at the Network's Optix booth. A special thank you to Bradley and Andrew, who were showing us around the booth today. And to all of our IDS magazine viewers, if you have questions, make sure to comment below and we'll get you in touch with the right people. I'm Jillian. We'll see you at the next segment.